Hi my wonderful people, welcome back again. I'm so sorry guys that I've not been able to post any of my cooking video for a while now. It's just that school activity is taking so much of my time these days, but I will try to manage my time and make more of cooking video these days. So guys, make lunch with me, a low budget lunch. So I'm gonna be making a egg fried rice. So if you want to see how I prepared this low budget lunch, watch this video till the end. I'm going to start by adding my reserved chicken stock, then add extra water because the chicken stock won't be enough to cook the rice. Then I will add my well washed basmati biryani rice. I'm going to go ahead to introduce my dried thyme, a tablespoon of dried curry powder, a tablespoon of blended pepper, salt, and my chicken stock cube. Guys, remember I told you guys earlier that it's a low budget fried rice, egg fried rice, so I'm not going to be adding too much ingredients. So after that, I'm going to mix and cover the pot, allow it to cook for like 30 minutes or less than that. While my rice is cooking, I will go ahead to prepare my egg and some other ingredients like vegetables that I will be using for this fried rice. So guys, this is like a quick lunch. If you don't have time to cook for yourself, you can just prepare this simple lunch for yourself. It's very easy to make and it requires less ingredients and less costly. I'm going to check on the rice now. I think it is done, so I'm going to lower the flame and set the rice aside. So I will go ahead to prepare my egg for the fried rice. So I'm going to add a little amount of vegetable oil into my frying pan, allow it to heat for a while, then add my chopped onion. So I'm going to allow it to fry to bring out more aroma, and after that I will add my dried thyme, add my curry powder, then I will mix so that it will not get burned. After that I'm going to add a little amount of salt to bring out its taste. Then I will keep on mixing for it not to get burned. So after some minutes I will introduce my mixed egg. This is the most exciting part of it. I'm going to mix everything to make sure the whole ingredients and the egg integrate together. After frying the egg for some minutes, I'm going to go ahead to introduce my cooked rice. This is the most interesting part of it all. Once you get to this stage, my dear, start arranging plates because your fried rice is almost ready. Next, I will add my veggies. You can also do it the other way around by frying the vegetables with your egg, but for me I prefer this method of adding the vegetables at the ending part. So I'm going to keep on mixing until everything is properly mixed. Next, I will add my prawns. Guys, my low budget egg fried rice is ready now. You can serve this dish with any soft drink of your choice. Please guys, do support my channel by liking, subscribe, share and comment, and also follow me on my Facebook page at Angels Page. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.